Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have a brand new opportunity to share with you. Of course, before we do that, let's just take a quick second, look over the disclaimer here. Anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial or trading advice, as it is certainly not. JP Morgan is set up for a long buy signal at 160.69. Our indicators had indicated on a daily basis that it's time to buy JP Morgan. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart here, we can see that that upper resistance zone has been broken through, and it looks like it will likely close above that this week if it continues in the motion that it is. On the monthly chart, we do not have any resistance. So what I did is I took the liberty of doing some longhand analysis for you in case you are already invested in JP Morgan, or if you for yourself decide that JP Morgan may be an opportunity where this price will likely head to. So we'll jump into that real quick and take a quick look. So what I basically built here for you is what's called a double channel extension, or a full channel extension. So we have completed the entire channel in which JP Morgan was trading within. Now that we have a confirmed close above that ascending channel top, we have now formed a secondary channel, or a full channel extension. Now this full channel extension will likely yield a rally towards the 215 area. So JP Morgan has the potential to run from where we sit today at 160-ish, well into that 200, 210, 215 area. Now listen, it may, of course, along the way, impulse correct, impulse correct, impulse correct. It will not likely be a straight line, but that's okay, because we know it took a little more than a year to cross the full primary channel. So we could expect that it may take about the same time. I typically like to go 1.5 the amount of time that it could potentially take for it to cross that secondary channel, or that upper channel, or full channel extension. So within the next, I would suspect, if we continue on the trajectory that we're on, JP Morgan Chase has the potential to run from where we sit today at about 160-ish to the 210, 215 area, that ascending secondary channel top, within the next 12 to 18 months. That's just my take on it. I wanted to share it with you, and we can certainly circle back to this and check the progress as this trade continues to do what we expect it to do. But our indicators are suggesting it is potentially the time to look at JP Morgan for a long trade, and the longhand analysis does nicely complement what could be a position style trade that would likely take several months to transpire. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but rather a habit. So what does that mean? Putting that in context, whatever it is we do on a daily basis, whether it's exercise, trade, study, read, expand our mind, expand our body, expand our soul, our spirit, that is something that we do out of habit. Typically takes the human approximately 21 days to develop a habit where your body and your mind starts to actually require you to do whatever that habit was, whether it's a good habit or a bad habit. I mean, and can go swing both ways. This could be eating healthy. This could be exercising. This could be walking, jogging, bike riding, whatever it may be. Your body will yearn that after you've done it for a period of approximately 21 days, so 3 weeks. Listen, you can do bad things too. You can drink alcohol, you can take drugs and things of that nature, none of which, of course, we condone or believe in. But the reality becomes your body over time it needs it. And it needs the good stuff that you give it, and it will also need the bad stuff because you develop a habit. So the point I'm getting at is that whatever it is that you choose to do on a daily basis becomes your habit, and that is repetitive. And whatever it is, whether it's helping you or hurting you, you need to, of course, acknowledge it and then utilize it to your benefit. So guys, if you'd like to learn more how you, on your own, without me finding it for you, could identify a trade just like the one I showed you on JP Morgan, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it will take you to the Project of eSwarm webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to show you example after example of how we used our volume-based indicators to locate opportunities just like the one I showed you. If you'd like to learn more, again, please click that link, check out the webinar. Feel free to always give us a call, 888-233-8598. always reach out to us. Email us at team1@hawkeyetraders.com, or you can visit us, of course, anytime at hawkeyetraders.com. Guys, with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.